These are what they look like. I'm about to, make sure it's a T15. Make sure it's specific for the Grand Cherokee. This is 2011 Grand Cherokee Laredo 4x4. So now I'm about to put this in. I'm about to put it in there. I'm about to replace that with that. So let me do it. Bam, I'll be right back. Comes right out. I pulled it. Oops, I dropped it. I pulled it right from here. You can't miss it. You wiggle it and it comes right out. Now I'm about to insert the LED boy. Bam. Let's see. It's right there. We're going to make this simple. Give me a second. Pause. I ain't going to even cap. That was very difficult. But I forced it in. So we're going to see if it works. Let's test it. So now we're going to see if the tail light works. So let's see what happens. Okay. Boom. If you push on the brakes, I guess it works. But let's see. Let's see. Put it in reverse. Still gonna go? Well, I guess we won't be able to see, will we? Hold on. Okay, let me put it in reverse and see if the light works. Shouldn't be hard to tell. Yep, if you can look in the distance. It's on. You can see it glowing. It's on, y'all. So that's how you change the rear backup light in a 2011 Grand Cherokee. Over and out.